This video provides a 5-step workspace and habit audit to help you relieve digital eye strain, also known as computer vision syndrome. Prolonged screen time can take a physical toll. Staring at digital devices triggers computer vision syndrome, which can lead to eye strain, dry eyes, pressure between the eyes and forehead, headaches, and neck and shoulder pain. The physical pain caused by screens stems from 2 biological reactions to close proximity viewing. First, accommodative spasm, where eye muscles cramp from constant close focusing. Second, hyperfocus, where intense attention reduces your blink rate, leading to a lack of eye lubrication. To optimize your screen distance and height, follow the high 5 rule. The screen should be an arm's length away. Also, follow the 3/4 rule. Your eyes should align 3/4 of the way up the screen, creating a slight downward gaze to the center. Reduce visual friction by adjusting your display settings. Increase font sizes to comfortably read without leaning in. Additionally, match your screen brightness to the room's ambient lighting to eliminate harsh contrast. Protect your sleep cycles from blue light. Enable night light or built-in blue light filters on your devices. Schedule these modes to sync automatically with sunrise and sunset, and consider blue light blocking glasses if you are in heavy LED environments. To break the accommodative spasm, practice the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This gives your eye muscles a mandatory physical rest to prevent cramping. The hyperfocus blink deficit means that staring at devices overrides your natural blink reflex, reducing blinks from 20 to about 4.5 per minute. Remedies include practicing conscious blinking, using supplemental eye drops, and applying warm compresses to soothe dryness. Active relief can be achieved through distance exercises. General activities like walking or playing naturally strengthen eye coordination. When at your desk, try targeted exercises. Exercise 1 is cupping for muscular relaxation. Rub your hands to generate warmth. Then, cup your palms gently over the bony orbit of your eyes and keep your eyes open into the darkness of your palms. Finally, relax your neck and shoulder muscles, holding for 1 minute. Exercise 2 consists of directional stretches for mobility. Focus on a distant object and stretch your eye muscles without overstraining them. Hold your gaze in each direction for exactly 5 seconds. Exercise 3 is eye circles to release tension. Maintain focus on a distant object and perform slow, continuous rotations of the eyes. Alternate between clockwise and counterclockwise motions until the muscular strain decreases. Prioritize your long-term vision health. Listen to your body. Stop any eye exercises immediately if you experience pain or discomfort. Also, seek professional care by scheduling an annual eye checkup to monitor your baseline eye health. Your daily digital wellness prescription involves 5 steps. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Check your ergonomics for screen distance and height. Adjust your display settings, blink consciously, and stretch daily with cupping, directional stretches, and eye circles.